In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to fix Task Manager not opening or working on Windows 11 computer. To fix this issue, first of all, you have to follow some basic troubleshooting. Restart your PC. A simple restart can resolve minor glitches. If not fixed, use a different keyword shortcut to open Task Manager. Try Ctrl Shift Escape for directly access. If not working, you can try Ctrl Alt Delete and then select Task Manager. If not working, click on Cancel. Now you have to go for advanced troubleshooting. First of all, you have to scan for malware. Right click on Start menu. Click on Settings. In left menu pane, click on Privacy and Security. Click on Windows Security. Click on Virus and Threat Protection. Here you will find Quick Scan. Click on Quick Scan to scan for virus on your Windows 11 computer. It will take a little long time. You have to wait. Then make sure the virus and threat protection settings is turned on, and you have to update virus protection on Windows 11. It will also take some time. You have to wait till end the process. If you still not fix the solution, go for next step. Check the group policy editor. If a domain policy is blocking Task Manager, it will show a message. You can check the local policy to ensure it's not disabled. Right click on Start menu, click on Run, type gpedit.msc and then click on OK. Navigate to User Configuration and then expand Administrative Template, expand System, and then expand Control Alt Delete options. Right click on Remove Task Manager and click on Edit and ensure it's set to Not Configured or Disabled. Close Group Policy Editor. Hope this will solve your issue. If Task Manager is still not opening, you have to go for next fix. Click on Search. In search type CMD. Right click on Command Prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. In Command Prompt type sfc/scannow. This can repair corrupted system files. Now hit Enter. Let the scan complete and then restart your PC. Now go for last fix. Use the DISM tool. This can also fix corrupted system image files. Click on Search. In search type CMD. Right click on Command Prompt. Click on Run as Administrator. In Command Prompt type DISM online cleanup image and then restore health. Now hit Enter. This process will take a little long time. You have to wait. After completing this process, you need to restart your computer. Hope any of these fixes will solve your issue and you can run smoothly Windows 11 Task Manager. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.